What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day, and I am finally able to work on the December giveaway PC. So we drew that, and Mr. Carl won it, and I reached out to him, and he was like, hey man, before I get it, I want to upgrade the cooler. So if we look over here, I don't know if you guys can see in there, it just has a generic OEM Intel cooler. And he was like, hey, I want to put an AIO RGB water cooler in it. And ended up picking up one of these thermal rights. This is a 240. And we're going to pop that in there for him. So big respect to him, because he's like, hey man, that way, you know, you can make a little money on it. You can also hook me up. And I appreciate that. So yeah, let's get to getting this thing apart and hooking it up. Alright, so I'm just picking back up where I left off, and for some reason this motherboard doesn't have ARGB control. Not really a big deal. I ended up putting an external controller, and I didn't like the one that came with thermal right, because you'd have to like open the computer up to be able to change it. So I just got one of the little cheap ones that has like a little remote, so that way he can, you know, change it to whatever kind of settings he wants. But right now I just have it on like auto, so it's just like the normal rainbow colors. Let me flip it around. So, and there she is, ladies and gentlemen. So that is the December PC, going out a little bit later than originally thought, but that was due to having to put a radiator in and just time constraints. Always running into some kind of time constraints. But I just boxed up tons of orders over there. I think it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 more orders going out. So Monday, this is Sunday today, so can't ship anything out today. But yeah, so if your order had not gotten taken care of, then it probably is going out Monday, and you will get a notification in the email. So make sure you just check your spam, because some people told me that they didn't see theirs, and then they went back and it was in their spam folder. So I guess that can be a thing. I don't know why it triggered it to be in a spam folder, but oh well. So anyways, y'all have a good one. It was nice seeing you. And the January PC build, I have the motherboard, I have everything except for the case. So the January PC build, I need to get on the ball because I'm running out of time. You can still get entered for it, or entered in for it. It's nothing crazy, but it's just a way for me to give back to you guys that come and visit and do all that kind of stuff. So it is also no purchase necessary. Just go to the website. It's down there in the bottom left corner. So bc-pc.com. But yeah, for real. I'll see y'all on the next one. Adios.